Paul's literally 2 minutes out now and he's collecting the S6 finally and dropping off the Audi RS2. And yeah, I mean, I'm a bit deflated and excited all at the same time for this thing to go.
Mate, it's looking absolutely stunning and the sun is shining down. And mate, it's a credit due to you because it is absolutely faultless. You pleased with it?
Oh mate, really happy with it, yeah. And like you say, we couldn't have got a better day for it today, could we?
Yeah,
definitely. I mean, you know, being silver as well, kind of shows off your work a little bit. You know, the sun's going to pick out if your paint is patchy, because it come in like super patchy paint.
Yeah, it was really, really patchy. Well, it's unrecognisable, isn't it? Really?
Yeah. So
you think when we stood there in Paul's front drive and we were looking at it thinking, holy smoke.
Oh my god.
This isn't just a side, is it? This is just going to be...
Man, how much has this thing gone on as well? Like the hurdles we've overcome on this one has been crazy. Bit unheard of as well. Like, you know, not every job is plain sailing. Things do go wrong. But
yeah, but mate, the amount, it was like Groundhog Day, wasn't it?
I know.
You come in and there was just another problem. But
yeah.
Ultimately, it's going out looking faultless, which is what it's all about. So can't wait to see Paul's reaction when he sees this thing.
Got there in the end.
I just want to say, because I think the one thing, you know, what I've seen on the videos, and one thing I love about working with you is the fact that it's not just a paint job, it's like it's a complete detail, you know.
Yeah.
Cleaning the windows and leaking the razor blades and whatever. So it's, for me, it's been absolutely.
I mean, I like to like pin all the wiring out as well, like even like just cable tie it out of the way further than what factory done.
You're more fussy than I am, and you know, I'm quite fussy. So
yeah.
But even all the fits on these now are perfect, because before they were a bit.
Yeah, they were a little out. I mean, even under here, Paul, as well. Like these were all oversprayed under here. All your handles in there, they were all silver. So I took all them apart, cleaned all them up.
Perfect. That's pretty more really. That is absolutely superb.
Bonnet.
No, I haven't actually.
Is it still a bit of a pain to get it open?
No, fine mate, no.
Oh, it was a problem before. So
was it?
Yeah, that
it's on like a double pull, isn't it?
Yeah. That one's a bit.
But I have readjusted it all because I've obviously had it off, so I've re-gapped it.
Right. Okay. Well, oh yeah. Fine now. Thank you. Another little problem solved. This one. The only thing that's gone wrong on it, Sunday I ran out of petrol and thought, oh shit, the car's broken down, why? Straight away I thought, sounds like petrol, so I filled it up. And the fuel sender's stuck on a quarter.
Oh, is it?
So, so it's full of petrol.
Okay.
Yeah.
But it won't go far.
Oh, it's fine.
From here to there.
I mean, we just done what we could.
Yeah, that's fine.
With
end of the day,
chemicals and.
Yeah.
I mean, this was all totally gone, so retouched in your 20 valve turbo because it was red, but it was pink and gold.
Yeah, I should have just took it off, but it doesn't matter. No, I'm over the moon with it. I couldn't ask for any more really. Right, cheers guys.
Cheers guys, all the best.
Oh, so finally the S6 is gone and Paul has now dropped off the Audi RS2.
We've made a pretty comprehensive list of stuff that he wants doing on it. Well, it's turned out from like a game with Paul, it's turned out from a, can you just give us a repaint to a full
restoration,
like,
almost a resto. Everything but the engine, which is probably to come.
I reckon so.
Yeah, I mean, we need to get this thing in, get it on the ramp, get underneath of it, have a look, because we're now on about an underside restoration on this, which would be quite nice to do in-house, wouldn't it?
Yeah, it would be. It would be really, really nice to do. And he wants some of the leather interior sorted out, doesn't he? So
yeah,
need to speak to our guys doing the leather trim.
Yeah, get on to Freya about that, having some interior stuff done.
But the great thing is, Paul is like proper obsessive with his Audis particularly. So he has doubled up. He's got 3 of these. So he's doubled up on his purchasing of everything, hasn't he? So he's got stickers, screws, nuts.
Unreal
bolts.
amounts of stuff what he's got.
True,
like,
I reckon he must be like Audi UK.
Genuinely.
Certainly RS2
Yeah.
Audi UK. So yeah, we've basically got pretty much what you're not painting, you're going to be replacing trim-wise, aren't you?
Literally everything, yeah. It's literally going to roll out of here more or less like a brand new RS2, isn't it?
Yeah. So I'm going to go and do some emails, mate. If you can just...
Cheers, mate.
Out.
Thanks.